In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Google Drive to connect more apps to enhance your productivity and convenience. Google Drive is a versatile tool, but its power multiplies when you integrate other applications that support your workflow. So let's dive into how you can do this effortlessly. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive homepage. If you're not already there, open your web browser and type in drive.google.com. This will bring you to the main interface of Google Drive, where you can access all your files and folders. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to Google Drive. It can make navigation much easier. Once you're on the home page, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the New button. This is where you can create new documents, spreadsheets, and a whole lot more. Go ahead and click on New, which will open up a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll notice a More option towards the bottom. This option is crucial as it reveals more actions you can perform within Google Drive. Click on More to see what's available. Next, you'll want to connect additional apps to your Google Drive for even more functionality. To do this, click on Connect More Apps. This option will open a pop-up window for you showing the Google Workspace Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you'll find a variety of applications that you can integrate with Google Drive. Some apps are designed for business, others for creativity, and everything in between, so take some time to explore. Now it's time to find the specific apps that could be most beneficial for you. You can search directly for apps using the search bar if you know what you're looking for. Alternatively, you can browse through categories like Work from Everywhere, Business Essentials, Apps to Discover, Most Popular, and Top Rated. Each app comes with a brief description, user reviews, and ratings, which can help you make informed choices. When you found an app you want to try, click on it to learn more. You'll find an Install button on the app's page. Clicking this button will begin the installation process, which usually involves granting certain permissions to allow the app to work with Google Drive. Don't worry, this process is straightforward, and Google provides ample instructions along the way to ensure your data is kept safe and secure. And that's it, you're done. The newly installed app will now appear under the More section whenever you click New in Google Drive. Experiment with your newly added tools and see how they can streamline your work and enhance your productivity. Remember, integrating the right apps can transform how you use Google Drive, making it a hub for all your work needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough has empowered you to unlock more potential from Google Drive. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital proficiency.